Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I'm showing you amazing cocoa sculpting mix gel. This is the thick formula. Let's open the container with this gel. So, as you can see, this gel is thick enough to sculpt nails. And it's easy to sculpt the nail very quickly. And as you can see, the color is amazing. It will be suitable to any tone of skin. So guys, I suggest you to try this fantastic gel. And don't forget to make the review of this gel under this product. This is the Cocoa Sculpting Mix Gel. And today I will be showing you how to apply professional infill of gel nails. And as you can see now, I'm working with barrel drill bit. And it allows me perfectly remove the gel and the nail design. You shouldn't turn on the high speed of this drill bit because you can hurt the client's nail plate. You shouldn't also use low quality drill bits. And as you can see now, I'm proceeding with the file, 100 grit file. And special for the ring finger, we remove the length of the nail and on the middle finger. So let's shape side walls of the nail plate and let's make the surface flat and perfect for applying gel. You should keep your file strongly, but you shouldn't make too much pressure on the file when you're shaping nails. Okay, and now I'm removing the lifting from the nail plate. We should do it easily, not with too much pressure. You should apply more movings without any pressure. Okay, let's push the cuticles with pusher. We are rolling it down step by step, nail by nail. And so we can compare two drill bits. This one is for nail killers. This is cheap drill bit. You should never use that because you can ruin the nail plate. It can injure the nail plate of client. So I prefer to use professional drill bits. These products you can buy in my shop. And also friends asked me to make the special set for beginners with free shipping to any country. So I made that, and my new set of products for beginners are available in my shop too. So you can find the link on it in the information box under the video. And also there you can compare different types of products, because these cuticle nippers for nail killers. You can kill the client with it, and this one is professional tool. So let's compare them. From the left side is bad quality, and from the right side is high quality tool, high quality nipper for working with cuticles, with skin. And the left one we can use only for cutting nails, not for cutting skin. And as you can see, I can't do that. I can't even cut the small piece of skin using these snippers. And these snippers, like you see I'm using now, these snippers perfectly works with cuticles, even with very soft cuticles, like you see on my client's fingers. So I accurately cut small pieces of skin using these nippers. And now you can see the result. We perfectly remove the skin. We'll come back to cutting the skin after applying gel and shaping nails. And now you can see I'm preparing nails for placing gel. I'm using the gel primer. This is necessary for the best, that provides the best quality of your coat. So let's prepare the brush for sculpting. I'm using the rubbing alcohol for cleaning my gel brushes. And now you see me applying the nail form on the ring finger. So you can place it correctly and perfectly. So it shouldn't move on the finger. Okay, as the base coat, you can also use the coat of sculpting mixed gel. And now I'm creating the length of the nail using sculpting mixed gel. And as you can see, it doesn't flow across the form, so it keeps the shape perfectly. So we cure it in an UV lamp about 1 minute, and after that I'm applying thin layer of gel on the pinky finger. After curing it in an UV lamp, I'm applying the sculpting coat of my sculpting mixed gel. And as you can see, it keeps its shape perfectly. So I take the gel again and applying sculpting coat on the next finger, on the next nail. You should apply it very quickly, because the gel is getting warm. So now I'm applying the sculpting mix coat on thumbnail. And after covering nails with gel, we cure it in a UV lamp about 4 minutes. And now I'm removing the tacky layer from all nails. And after removing forms, I'm proceeding with shaping nails. At first, let's shape the length of the nail and compare one nail to the other to make sure that the length of each nail is the same. And the next step is shaping sidewalls. You shouldn't shape them too much, because you can ruin the sidewalls and it causes breaking. Okay, and now I'm shaping nails from the top side. So when you apply that, please try not to touch the skin, because the file is very sharp. So if you do any erratic motion, you can hurt the skin and it causes bleeding. And the next that I will do is filing nails. But before this, we should roll down the cuticles again. And now I'm working with cone drill bit and removing the gel in the cuticles area. All tools and products are available in my shop. And it has no analogs on any site. I mean eBay, AliExpress. And you can watch my new the set for the beginners, where I'm showing you the differences between tools for professional beginners and tools for nail killers. So you will see the difference between them, and in the next my videos I will show in details and I will prove you that these tools have very high quality. So now you see me removing the gel under the nail plate. We should make them thinner and graceful. So this thing is not so easy. And the next step, I'm using now the diamond drill bit ball, and I'm removing the skin at the first from the left side of the nail plate using the forward, and after I will be using the reverse, and I will be removing the skin from the right side of the nail plate. So, and it's time to turn on the reverse, and let's work with other side of the nail plate. So you can move this drill bit on the skin, and you can move this sand drill bit on the side walls of the finger, and you can also use this drill bit for applying the pedicure, and in the next videos I will show you that. So we're applying final filing of the skin using this drill bit. Okay, and of course we should shape nails from each side and apply the final fine shaping of them, because sometimes your drill bit can remove from this downside of the nail plate, and it can spoil some areas of the nail plate. And as I told before, we're using now cuticle nippers for removing some skin, remaining skin after shaping and filing nails. And now you can see we've got the ideal manicure and the ideal shape of square nails. So let's apply the nail design, but before that we get to prepare nails, make them matte, and let's prepare the surface for drawing flowers. This time I will show how to draw fantastic living poppy flowers on each nail. So it will be something like the painting, the print. Sometimes we're walking on shops and where we buy ware, and you can see that it's popular now prints, flower prints with flowers, with small tiny flowers. So we can combine, we can compose wear clothes with flowers with the nail design, and it will be stylish, you know. And this time with my client we decided to apply tiny poppies, tiny poppy flowers on her nails, and of course it will be composed and combined with her style. She has hippie style, fashionable. I like trendy nails. And of course we combine together blended colors. I didn't blend red color because it's already perfect, but as you can see on my palette, I blended green color and mixed it with yellow. For blending colors you can mix red, for example, with red color. And now you see me applying the shadows in the center of each bloom. I'm using the flat brush. This brush has number 4. You know guys, there are a lot of types of drawing poppies, but this time I definitely choose one stroke technique combined with paint art technique. I mean, I will be using the tail brush for applying some elements that will help me to create the natural effect for this nail design. And as you can see, I'm closing now the bloom with the front petal. And now, using thin brush, I'm drawing petal in the center of the flower. And using the same thin brush number 00, I'm applying tiny dots. So this tutorial is the perfect example of how we can transform broken nails, crashed nails, cracked nails to the perfect nails in 1 or 2 hours. It depends on your professional skills and experience. And of course, this video shows you that you should use high quality tools and products. So at the beginning of this video, I have shown you 2 types of products, with low quality and with high quality. So it's your choice, guys, to be a nail killer or to be the talented beginner. And you should use high quality tools, and it will give you a chance to learn everything quickly and helps you to avoid any problems connected with injuries of skin, nail plates, any other problems that I will tell you about in my next videos. So now I'm applying the top coat. And now it's time for removing the tacky layer. I'm using the simple paper wipe. After removing the tacky layer, I'm shaping nails from each side to remove remaining gel on the side walls and on the skin. So it's very important thing too. And sure, at the end of this video, we should apply coconut skin, my favorite coconut oil, sorry. It helps us to protect skin from bacteria and make it softer. So we can apply the message on fingers. So let's watch the result, guys. I think these nails are amazing. If you like this nail design, don't forget to click that like button, and I'll make for you new nail designs that will help you to improve your skills. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.